to our channel. We're gonna do white chip cookies.
White chocolate chip cookies.
And we're gonna show you the recipe. Te vamos a enseñar la receta. Recipe.
You're gonna need
Harina.
2 tazas y 1/4 de harina, flour. Yo le puse poquito canela, and we're gonna need baking soda. Half a teaspoon of baking soda.
Y le vamos a poner chocolate ahí.
2 cups de chocolate blanco. Estamos usando esta marca. Y
Huevos.
vamos a estar usando vainilla.
2 huevos.
2 huevos. Y aquí tenemos brown butter.
Yeah.
So, there's another recipe. Tenemos otro video enseñándoles cómo hacer brown butter. Esta es una taza.
Y aquí tenemos
Una taza de azúcar
una taza de azúcar
morena.
morena.
Y media taza de azúcar blanca. Y estos son todos los ingredientes que van a estar necesitando. Vamos a estar poniendo en este bowl.
Y vamos a necesitar estos dos.
Vamos a estar poniendo en este bowl los 2 huevos.
Thank you. Can you break it?
Good job. No. Good job, Emmanuel. No queremos cáscaras adentro.
Yo no sé, cacayas.
Okay. Once it's like this, you just go like that.
Okay.
Is that it? White sugar?
Mami.
Now, we're gonna do the 1 cup. Vamos a estar agregándole una taza de butter. Brown butter.
Yeah, brown butter. No. It's piel butter.
Now we can put these aside. Let's work with this first, okay?
We're gonna work.
We have to mix this.
I want to mix it. Me.
Okay.
Okay.
You can grab the bowl, Emmanuel.
Manu, grab the bowl. Manu, grab the bowl.
Agarra así with your 2 hands so it doesn't move. Right there. Teamwork.
What? What? Yeah.
We're just gonna mix this.
Mommy, now you're not following the directions. We're mixing.
We are mixing.
Mixing. No. Okay, no vas a salir para afuera. Oh, porque no cabes en mi bowl. Oh, there you go. Mommy, the chocolate chips are not getting out. ¿Colemos? No. They're so sticky here because you didn't do the chocolate chips. It's so easy for me.
Manuel, stop eating them. Okay, we're just gonna mix it.
And we're gonna do it.
And add this to our flour.
Yeah, to our flour butter. Butter. Is that butter? Butter.
Okay. So now we're just gonna
mix green.
mix it.
Mix it. Look, it look like a rainbow.
Oh,
Oh, oh, oh, chocolate. Oh, oh, ooh la la. Yoko.
so now that everything's well incorporated, okay, we're gonna be using, this one's a medium size ice cream scoop,
Yeah, ice cream.
and we're gonna be scooping,
Scooping the cookies.
yeah, cookie dough. I'm gonna put one
That looked like Cookie Monster.
here. They're gonna be pretty big.
That looked like Cookie Monster. I know.
A ver, trae el chiquito. If you use a medium one, let's see. We're gonna put one right here too. And we're just gonna...
Look at us here, y'all. I got a medium one.
This one's a smaller one.
And that one is a big one.
If you want your cookies to be
Or
smaller.
you want your cookie?
And this is what they look like. We only did 2 with this one, the medium, and they look like these. We're gonna see how big they get. And we used, for these, we used a small scoop. So, this is what it looks like with the small scoop. We're gonna be putting these inside the oven. The oven is preheated at 360, and we're gonna put them in for 10 minutes. This is what we have left of the cookie dough. We added another egg because the eggs that we did use were 2 small eggs, and it was supposed to be 2 large eggs. So I added 1 large egg, and this is what your dough is supposed to look like. These are the first cookies that came out, and these this is when I noticed, you know what, I think they need another egg, the dough. La masa necesitaba un huevo más porque los huevos que le pusimos eran pequeños, pero aún las galletas salieron así, con 2 huevos pequeños. They didn't spread, no se hicieron, no se esparcieron. Is that how you call it? Y estas ya son las galletas donde ya les puse otro huevo extra. Entonces la consistencia de la masa cambió. Y estas galletas sí se hicieron un poquito más. They spread it out. No sé si se pueden mirar. Pero aún así, they're not flat. Estas yo las dejé 12 minutos para que quedaran un poquito más así. Crunchy. A mí me gusta que estén crunchy. Y miren. Miren. Así se miran.
I try cookies to eat them. Hicimos. They're very yummy.
Agarra una and try it.
Le comí el chocolate.
To Aldi's, and I went to Walmart. From Aldi's, I got these apples. Let's see. It's the gala apples. We also got some tomato basil, organic. We got some thick chunky salsa, organic. We got some lemonade. We got the 100% grass-fed beef hot dogs. We also got this salsa verde. My husband likes this one. We got the 100% grass-fed ground beef. 100% grass-fed ground beef. And we also got some mandarinas, green apples, some organic salted butter. That's what I got from Aldi's. I also got the bananas, and I got these also. Unsweetened applesauce. And if you look at the ingredients, all it has is apples, water, ascorbic acid, vitamin C. Bueno, viene siendo vitamin C. And this is what I got from Walmart. This is what I get for my kids. The organic kids yogurt. Emmanuel wanted these. They were expensive. These were $7, but he wanted them. So it's made with 100% grass-fed pasture-raised beef. So you're getting the good stuff. But si no me equivoco, ha de ver como 3 corn dogs aquí. Ah, no, 4 corn dogs. But, and I also got these because I needed some. I got some blueberries. Emmanuel loves blueberries. And blueberries, strawberries are in the tub dirty. So it's better to get the organic ones if you can. I also got from ALDI the organic broccoli. Alexander likes to eat broccoli. And from Walmart, I also got the Ezekiel muffins. These are really good. Ezekiel 4.9. And I also got the bread. And this is, you're gonna find this in los refrigeradores, en los congeladores. And for snacks, I got this cookies. No corn syrup, no artificial ingredients. And I really like eating these also. Esos tienen nomás coco, tiene cashews, coconut sugar, cassava flour, and sea salt. So they're grain-free. From Walmart, I also decided to get the medium-sized cookie scoop. This is really good, like for cupcakes. And I also got this. I know I had one, but I don't know what happened to it. I got more cupcake liners. And I've been having plastic ones, plastic measuring cups, and I wanted to get these. They're stuck. The glass ones, measuring cups. So that's what I got. I also found this in ALDI. Limited edition flavor, organic sparkling probiotic drink. And these are the ingredients: organic water. It has organic pineapple juice, mango, probiotics. It has sugar, but at least it's better than soda. We also have our tomatoes growing here. It looks like a huge mess. And I think this one is done. Canela. I'm gonna cut it. This is the quinoa. I mean blackberry Kiowa. Blackberry Kiowa. And let me show you guys. Let me show you our green beans. Here's one green bean. Here's another one. There's a couple more. Oh, we harvested 3 green beans. We have, aquí salió una piña, and then another one's coming out here. We also have some chiles that are growing here. Here we have one, and these are the ones that I mostly had seen on my fig tree. I love gardening and planting fruit trees, and I can see more coming. Let's see, you see that one there, and I can see more that are growing. I always look forward to this. Where did I see more? Oh, there's more there. So I'm really happy about that. I actually just found out that my pomegranate tree has more. These are male flowers. So it's good to have male flowers, but we need female flowers, which are the one that produces the fruit. And this one supposedly is a wonderful pomegranate. My dad got it from a nursery, but obviously it might not be what they said it was, because if it was a wonderful pomegranate, it would produce female flowers and it would produce fruit. So what I'm gonna have to do is get another pomegranate tree that does produce female, and that way they can produce fruit. and I can have fruit. So, hello. Hey. Sit. Sit. Good job. ¿Qué te van a hacer?
A cortar pelo.
¿Quién te lo va a cortar?
¿Tita?
¿No quieres ir con Nacho? ¿Por qué?
Porque me da miedo.
¿Por qué qué?
¿Le da miedo?
¿Te da miedo?
Cabeza, papi.
¡Ah! Se metió. Deja. No, déjame de cortarme el pelo. Se me metió un pelito adentro.
¿Adentro de dónde, papi?
De la ear. Ya no voy a escuchar más.
Ay, no es exagerado.
No es exagerado.
Deja de moverte tanto porque te va a dejar trasquilado, ¿eh? ¿Qué le hago así? ¿Y qué le hace así? Trasquilada. Su trasquiladita.
Because he moved.
Hello guys. For watching our video. See you next time. See my video next time. And be good.